To connect your calendar to your Typeform account, start by logging in and navigating to the home screen. From there, click on the Forms option at the top, which will display all of your existing forms. Select the form you want to add a calendar link to, and then click on the Add Content button at the top. In the options that appear, look for the calendar logo under Other or type Calendar in the search bar. Once you've found it, click on it. To link your calendar, you'll need to authenticate by logging into your calendar account. This will open a new browser window where you'll enter your login information, which may be your email, Google, or Microsoft account. After logging in, you'll be asked to enable the Typeform application to connect to your account and manage your calendar events. Click Connect to Calendar to proceed. Once you've authenticated, choose the event type you want to offer, which is the type of service you provide. You can then decide whether to show the details of this event type in your calendar. After making your selection, click Save to continue. The calendar link will then be added to your form, and you can drag it to the desired position. Finally, click Publish at the top right to update your form with the calendar link. Your Typeform is now published, and the calendar link will appear after respondents have answered the required questions. This process allows you to easily connect your calendar to your Typeform account, making it simple to schedule events with qualified prospects.